What should I do when I first wake up in the mornings? This is the question I've got asked a lot, and I did some research on it and I found out an interesting answer. So when I conducted my research, which involved me putting questions into Facebook groups and asking a whole range of people and saying, what do you do for a morning routine? This is what I got back: a variety of answers. Now, first of all, let me explain what I mean by a morning routine. You have a morning routine. I bet you do. For example, it might involve having a shower. It might, or a wash, a bath, something like that. It might involve brushing your teeth. It might involve going to the toilet. It might involve getting your breakfast ready or eating a certain breakfast. It might involve something around the children, if you've got children, or pets, taking your dog out for a walk, something like that. So chances are you have a routine, and roughly you probably pretty much do it in the same order. Now, what I'm talking about and what my clients want to know is there a way that I can do a morning routine that really benefits me in terms of my mindset, my life, my business, etc.? Is it something that can move me forward? So you're doing something consciously, you're doing something in a certain way to move you forward. So I looked into it and I did a lot of research, and the thing is that people do lots of different things, and that led me to something that was quite interesting. It led me to the point of view of saying, do you know what, there isn't a perfect morning routine that is suitable for everyone. It might be that a certain routine that's suitable for you might not be suitable for someone else, because it depends upon your life. It depends upon how much time you've got. It depends upon which activities kind of resonate with you. It depends upon whether you've got family, whether you've got to look after kids, all these kind of things. However, it is still important that you do something. So let me explain a little bit more. So in my product, which is the Essential Morning Routine Kit, within that I explain about different components, if you like, of a morning routine. And I've got them in front of me here. So physical health-based components could be one thing. You could have some things that are you consciously do to enhance your physical health. So for example, I have a drink with me that's, with me before I go to bed. So as soon as I wake up, I've got water there, and I consume quite a bit of water first thing, soon as I wake up in the morning. So that is for physical benefits. Obviously, throughout the night, we haven't been consuming anything, so we can get dehydrated, and that's something I do first of all. At the moment as well, also I'm doing a little bit of exercise in the morning. Nothing too major, but I'm doing a bit of exercise to wake me up, etc. So anything like that, any stretching, yoga, anything like that could be part of your morning routine. That will get the blood flowing. It energizes, it makes me feel good, so I don't always want to get out of bed. So that's great as well. Another thing you can do is you can do activities that are geared towards your life, if you like, or your day. So this, for example, could be writing out goals, doing your action tasks, anything that you want to achieve. It could be long-term goals, it could be daily goals, habits you want to do, anything that prepares you for that actual day. You could do that as well. And the third category is what I will sort of put into this broad area of personal development, mindset, or spirituality, those kind of activities. Now, again, there's so many different things you could do. You could do meditation. You could do visualizations. You could do affirmations. You could do work in the mirror, for example. You could do a gratitude practice. There's so many different things you do. And I do different aspects. I involve music within that as well. So basically, there isn't a perfect morning routine. What I would do is I would try to incorporate those different things. I'd probably try to incorporate a bit for the health, something like having a drink, really simple. Try to think about your day that you've got coming up, but also definitely do some form of personal development thing. Something like a gratitude practice is a great way to start. What are you grateful for? I also do that as an evening thing as well. So that can be great. And here's the thing. If you're watching this video thinking, yeah, but James, I've got to look after the kids and I've got to sort out the animals and I've got to make the lunches and all those things. I get it. I know. I'm a dad myself. My wife often goes out running. I've got to look after my children and do all these things. So here's the thing. Can you get up earlier? could be an option. If not, can you sort out the kids and all that, then do your morning routine? If not, can you do your morning routine whilst you're doing all those things? So for example, what I might do is I might go to the toilet in the morning. I could take my phone with me and I could read some affirmations while I'm doing that. I could listen to some music whilst I'm getting the breakfast ready, some motivational music, empowering music. I could listen to an empowering podcast. That could be part of my morning routine. So believe it or not, there are things you can do that don't take up any time of your day. In my essential morning routine kit that I created, I basically not only sort of educated people on what a morning routine is, but I created a lot of resources that I use myself, and people who have purchased that actually use themselves as part of their morning routine. And again, some of these can be listened to and used whilst you're doing other things. So you're getting the benefits of a morning routine and it's not actually taking up any time of your day. So my question to you is now, what are you going to do? Having watched this video, what are you going to do? How are you going to create a morning routine? If you want to find out more about the morning routine kit, you can go to my website, inneranthem.com, and it'll be under the products section there, or give us a shout, send an email to me. And hey, if you want a bit more of that personal touch, you'd like me to sort of coach you and advise you more on a morning routine, again, get in touch with me and we can have a chat and see if we can make it happen. My name's James Dan from Inner Anthem. You have a great day, have a great morning tomorrow, and I look forward to speaking to you again soon. Bye for now. Thanks for watching this video. Now, if you enjoyed it, please make sure you subscribe to this channel and like this video. And also, I'd love to hear your comments down below. Now, if you'd like any help with what we've discussed in this video or any other related topic, then feel free to get in contact with me using the details on the screen. And here's another video that you might like to watch now. And until next time, unleash your inner anthem.